Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I will show you creative broken mirror photo editing by using Snapseed app. Download Snapseed app, link given in description. So let's start. Open Snapseed app and tap anywhere to open a photo. Now select broken mirror photo. Download broken mirror photo, link given in description. Click on select. First step, go to the tool section, scroll down and select double exposure tool. Now click on open image. Select your picture and click on select. Place your photo neatly on mirror. Now next, click on style. Select subtract style. Click on opacity. Increase the opacity level. And click on apply. Now next, click on edit stack, view edits, double exposure, brush. Click on invert. Again click on invert. It should look like this. Click on up arrow, make it 100 and start brushing on mirror. To erase, click on down arrow, it should be 0%, and to restore, click on up arrow, it should be 100%. Brush neatly by adjusting percentage. Guys, if you like photo editing, if you want to learn photo editing, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay connected for more tutorials. Also, do check out our playlist of Snapseed manipulation, Snapseed logo designs and many more. Thanks for watching.